Hey guys, how's it going? This is George from TechLunar, and in this video we're going to have a look at the SuperEQ Q2 Pro Wireless Earbuds with hybrid active noise cancelling technology, which can reduce the background noise up to 33 decibels. Are they worth it? Let's have a look. SuperEQ is a company which is producing headphones, earbuds, and other related speaker devices, which is also behind the SuperEQ S1. It has been among the top of the chart. And I was lucky enough to get one of these, which I reviewed a while ago, which you can have a look on the video on the top of this video, on the top right corner on the card. And I've been using them ever since, and I absolutely love them. They have a great noise cancelling reduction of the background noise, and they also have a very realistic sound quality. But what if I told you that you can get a similar to the same experience by using the Q2 Pro, which uses the same noise cancelling technology as the S1 with up to 40 hours of battery life of total playtime. However, I'm not going to go ahead and specify every single specification that the Q2 Pro has because I've included them on an article where the link is down in the description. That being said, let's move on to the first bit, which is unboxing, in order to see what these bad boys are all about. Alright, so here we have the box, and as you can see, it's pretty small and light as well. On the back, you're gonna see all the features and all the specifications that the Q2 Pro offers to you, such as 8 hours of battery life while playing your favorite music. Of course, I never use knives in order to open the boxes, but my nails, which works pretty well, and to avoid scratching the surface of the box. So once you open the box, first thing you should see the case of the earbuds inside it, and they will be wrapped around a piece of plastic. So just take this off, and there you go, you have a case. And there are 3 lights on the front, like 3 LED lights, which indicates whether the earbuds are charging or they are fully charged. And on the top, as you can see, you have the SuperEQ logo. I really like the font of the logo. I don't know, it's very attractive. When you open the case, you should see the earbuds inside, and the case can charge the earbuds fully about 3.5 times. Each earbud has about 8 hours of playtime if you turn on the noise cancellation, and if you turn it off, it's going to be about 10 hours of playtime. With the case, if you include the case, you should expect about 40 hours of maximum playtime without turning on the noise cancellation, and about 28 hours if you turn on noise cancellation. To avoid excess charging, both of the earbuds have a small plastic cover up on the charging area, which you can remove as soon as you take them off the case, so you can allow the charge to flow between the earbud and the case. And to be honest, I really like the design and the way they're built. They're very light, so if you wear them in your ears, you shouldn't expect any extra weight added to your ears or head. Of course, they're a bit slippery. So yeah, they can fall from your hands, so just be careful while holding them, but they're not very slippery when you wear them on your ears. To charge them, just put them back on the case. Now, you need to look on the back of each of the earbud in order to ensure that you put it on the right position. So the L goes to the left and R goes on the right. Okay, now let's go ahead and check if there's anything else in the box. Now, below the base where the case was, there are some extra stuff that we need to have a look. One is the ear caps. So these are like different sizes of ear caps. And the other one is, of course, a USB to USB-C, which is used to charge the case. And of course, beneath it, you have the user guide. Now, in the user guide, you have all the functions on how to use the earbuds and how to play, pause, or reject the call, stuff like that. So everything is in there with a nice diagram. It's important to mention that SuperEQ doesn't provide with a power source in order to charge the case, but instead a USB to USB-C, which you can connect to your laptop or computer, which is still going to work just fine in order to charge it. And lastly, 3 different size ear caps, small, medium, and large, depending on the size of your ears. Now, I prefer using the largest one because it definitely doesn't allow the earbuds to slip in case I'm working out. Plus, they're a bit slippery as well. Whew. that's the unboxing. So let's go ahead and do a quick demo with these earbuds. This is the first time I'm going to be using them, and I want to see with you guys how they sound like and my experience by using them. So let's take a look. So first of all, you just have to take off the earbuds from the case, and the good thing with this is that they actually turn on automatically. You don't have to double touch or triple touch the head of the earbud. They're just going to turn on automatically. And then I'm just going to put them on my ears. Just make sure to put them on the correct ear, because you'll see on the back saying L or right or R. This indicates to be on the left or the right. Just like that. And then grab your phone. I'm going to use my iPhone 6 for this, in this case. And just head over to settings. And then go to Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Scroll all the way down. And you should see where it says all the devices. And you should see where it says SuperEQ Q2 Pro. Just tap on that and it should happen automatically. So hear a voice saying connected, which means that the earbuds are connected. And then you can go on music to play your favorite song. Let's go to music and then just play our favorite song. Okay, so I think it's good. Honestly, I'm surprised on how good the audio quality is. But I actually haven't turned on the noise cancellation on. So if you long press for about 2 to 3 seconds, then you should either turn on noise cancelling or turn it off. So let's go ahead again and play the same song with noise cancelling turned on. Okay, so I think overall that the audio quality is better if you have noise cancelling on. But I think overall, guys, I really think that the audio is very good. It has a good control on the bass, and the audio is actually very realistic compared to any other earbuds I have used before. And I would even compare these earbuds with headphones such as the SuperEQ S1 Pro, which you can also find down in the link in the description. Because the fact that you're using earbuds, it actually makes you feel that you're using a whole headset instead of those small earbuds that you put in your ear. So I think that I am actually very surprised to see such a great audio quality in these ones, because usually when you have earbuds, the sound quality will be slightly thinner or slightly less realistic, but these ones definitely prove this opinion wrong. The good thing with these earbuds is that they don't have any buttons, so you're gonna have to do the entire job with your finger. So for example, you can tap once in order to play the song and tap once more in order to pause it. In case you're having an incoming call, just tap once in order to play the call, or tap once on the left in order to end the call. You can even hold down twice in order to reject the call. You can also, for example, if you're speaking to someone and you have noise cancellation on, hold down on the left earbud with 2 seconds in order to disable noise cancellation. Talk with them because you'll be able to hear what they say. And then when you finish the conversation, just hold down with your finger 2 seconds in order to enable it again. Last and not least, if you want to connect your earbuds in a different device, you can take them off from your ears and just put them back on the case. So just put them back. Whoops. Yeah, these things happened. And just hold down for 6 seconds. And this is gonna enable Bluetooth in order to allow the earbud to be connected on a different device. Oh, and if you're looking to access voice assistants from your earbuds to your phone, such as Siri or Google Voice, depending whether you have Android or iOS, then simply tap 3 times. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in Orlando, Florida? Yep, that's 20 degrees. So this is very convenient if you have your phone in your pocket and you have internet connection or data and you don't want to just take off your phone and then just go on Google and search for something very quick that could be done by just using the voice. And that was everything about the earbuds. I personally really like them. I think they have great audio quality and they can certainly replace a bigger headset that you would normally use. They have a great noise cancellation technology built in, something I didn't expect, and they definitely provide you with a great and realistic sound while playing your favorite music. They cost about $60 to get, but I think they are perfect suit for everyone, whether you want to listen to your favorite music, play games, and do all sort of stuff. You can even use them to go to the library and listen to your music while studying, and because of the great noise cancellation technology, they can definitely block off any noise that happens in the library. And they can help you to focus better because you can put them in your pocket and not have them on your neck or just hold them on your back or stuff like that. And that was everything I wanted to talk about the Q2 Pro Earbuds. And I want to hear from you. What is your favorite feature from the earbuds? Please let me know down in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, don't forget to share this video to your friends in case they're looking for a new set of earbuds and they're very stuck on which one to buy. Of course, most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to stay connected and be the first one to receive notifications from my latest videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.